we are, Hoehn Porsche Carlsbad, beautiful North County, San Diego. We've got GT3 owners here discussing their cars, tasty coffee, breakfast. Check it out.
Here at Porsche Carlsbad today, looking at GT3s. Generally the most excited I've ever been in a little while. I'm doing automotive engineering and I'm looking forward to the future of Porsche here.
Been a GT3 owner for about 9 months, and it is such an amazing car. It's so solid, really fast on the track.
This is an everyday car that can be driven, 90% on the street, 10% on the track. It's so easy to drive.
The car is amazing from front to back, top to bottom. Absolute attention to detail like none other, and sounds incredible. So for sure, can't wait to get one. It's gonna be amazing.